it's me. Good to see you. So first thing I want to do is to say, ThingMonk was excellent. Thanks for coming if you were there. Thanks to the sponsors. Thanks to all the speakers. Definitely thanks to the community of attendees that came along. So it's going to be really good because we've got videos coming for you. The ThingMonk talks are wicked. We're going to start rolling them out every day, a new video, and they're going to be something like this. Okay, but that's not all I've got to talk about today. Loads of material. So what happened last week? It was Oracle Open World. Larry Ellison said that Amazon's lead in cloud is over. Yeah, not really sure about that comment. Amazon has a stretching lead. Amazon Web Services is going from strength to strength. More and more workloads, more and more people using the platform. They've got the enterprise play going in. Today they announced they've got the France region. They've got France, Germany, UK, crushing it in Europe, crushing it in the States. Amazon has a huge lead in cloud. There is no doubt about that. On the other hand, it was Oracle Open World. They had some things to say. They've been making investments in things like Docker, so the container story, container cloud, app dev cloud. The thing about Oracle is they're doing some good engineering, but obviously it's very difficult to turn the dial from a revenue perspective. Like how as a large company, when you've got certain parts of the revenue are falling, such as new software, how do you really demonstrate demonstrable growth as a large company? This is a challenge for Oracle, challenge for others. From an engineering perspective, they are doing some good work. Who else has this challenge? Our friends at IBM. So I was at IBM Edge recently. They are doing some interesting things. So for the longest time, we've been pushing them. Look, if you're going to have this power platform, which is not Intel, it's not general purpose as other people expect to know it, you've got to have the platforms that developers want to target. So IBM's finally there. They've got Canonical, so Ubuntu runs, native shell. Talking to State of California, IT services, there they are. They're using Ubuntu as a front end to targeting and programming the mainframe. But it was the, I think it's the range of things. Yeah, they've still got the Red Hat relationship there for the packaged apps, but Nginx, Neo4j, Enterprise DB, it's all that stuff that is going to possibly help IBM get new workloads to its power platform, because let's face it, Unix is on the way out. Unix wars is over, good times, but Linux has won comprehensively, that's over. One final thing I thought was really interesting about Edge was this blockchain thing. Because like blockchain, it all sounds like hype. What is it? It's this distributed ledger technology. Well, IBM is using it itself in its supply chain, extended supply chain, so that, if you think about documents being passed around a network, how are you able to establish, they have, very, very often there'll be something like, oh, this invoice didn't happen or this order didn't happen. So they're putting it all in the blockchain. So then are able to say to their customers, hey, we're building this and using this. They've got 36 blockchain proof of concepts currently running on their Hyperledger open source blockchain project, and that's running on Linux mainframes, on Linux 1 mainframes. So IBM is continuing to kind of turn the crank. They've got to change what they're doing. Blockchain seems like one opportunity for them. Above and beyond this 36 proof of concepts IBM's got running, they've just done a survey of 200 top banks. And it's pretty extraordinary. They're talking about 15% of them are planning to have blockchain running in production in some shape or other by 2017. So next year, blockchain in production in the global banking system. Hopefully it will prevent some of the problems we've been having with that particular sector. When it comes down to it, we need better transparency. If blockchain brings that, maybe we won't have to bail them out all the time. That's Monkchips in 3 minutes.